If you've ever sat around at one of those executive offsites where you brainstorm strategy on a whiteboard and it ends up in a PowerPoint and you know in your heart that it's never going to actually make it out into the business and change anything, you'll understand the problem that we set out to solve. I've worked at so many organizations where there's amazing people out on the ground doing fantastic things, but there's no connection to what the company says it's trying to achieve in its published strategy. That's why we created Cascade. The real problem is that people think of strategy as this pseudo-intellectual, MBA-educated group of men sitting around brainstorming and then throwing those ideas out into the world, when in reality, it's actually about helping people understand their role and then giving them the tools to go and execute, knowing that what they're doing is going to deliver against the bigger picture.
One of the things I love most about Cascade is seeing every day the number of people contacting us on LinkedIn to join us on this journey. And the two main reasons are the incredible missions of our customers and the growth that we have been experimenting over the last years.
And the diversity of teams coming through on the platform today is just incredible. From supply chain teams to operations teams to marketing teams, Cascade's helping all kinds of people achieve all kinds of incredible things. We've grown the team over 60% in the last 3 months. And in the last week alone, we've had new starters in Argentina, Greece, Croatia, and Colorado. One of my favorite things is hearing about just how amazed the new starters are with the real-world impact that they're helping our customers have. Whether it's rolling out the COVID-19 vaccine, building the world's fastest Formula One car, or battling on the front line of the AIDS epidemic. The coolest thing of all is we're just getting started. In a few years' time, I'm confident that we'll be helping hundreds of thousands of organizations execute their strategies and make their visions become reality in Cascade.